What was that?
Good save.
What are you doing, dude? Are you dancing? Are you happy to be home, Caroline? No.
Daddy's, yeah.
Are you happy to be home, sweetheart?
Want some music to dance to?
It's good. That's awesome. Sounds good, hon.
You just gotta grab
Whoa! Woo! What was that?
gentle.
You're nice, hon.
I think Puss missed you. Ew. Go give it to Daddy.
Thank you, Puss. Thanks, baby. Ew. Is Puss dirty? Oh, that was nice. Yep. What? Ow! 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 Ow!
Caroline.
Ow!
Caroline.
Oh.
Where's
Go
the
get-
elephant's ear?
Go get your elephant, man.
Does the elephant have an ear? Right there. Does the elephant have a nose? Does Caroline have a nose? Does Mommy have a nose? Does Puss have a nose? Does Daddy have a nose?
Uh-oh. Ow!
Does Caroline have a diaper? Does Mommy have a diaper? Does Daddy have a diaper?
Okay. That's my diaper.
Does the elephant have a diaper? Does Puss have a diaper? No. Does Caroline have a tail? Do you have a tail?
Yes.
You do? Does the elephant have a tail?
Yes.
Does Mommy have a tail?
Yes.
I do? Does Daddy have a tail?
We're going. He tickling me.
Is that Puss's tail? Yeah. Does Caroline have a belly? Yes, she does.
What's space?
Puss's belly's over here.
Up. Up.
Mm-hmm. Gentle. Good. Gentle.
Okay, Caroline, stop.
Gentle.
Okay.
I think Puss likes it. Gentle. Aww.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Thanks, baby. Hey, are you tired? What? You want to go nighty-night?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you want to go nighty-night? Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh, Puss, you better watch out. Watch out. Whoa. Watch out. Don't run over Puss. That'll hurt. Whoa. Caroline. Don't hurt her. Don't hurt her. Puss is like, attention. I'm getting attention. Whoa. Caroline.
No, Caroline,
No.
Not good.
You're going to hurt her.
not good.
Don't hurt her. Puss, you might want to move.
No, be nice. No.
Gentle.
Caroline,
Gentle.
come on. Come on, Caroline.
Caroline, can you put Mommy to bed? Can you put Mommy to bed?
Put Mommy to bed. Can you put Mommy to bed?
Aww.
Aw, that's nice. What? Very nice, Caroline.
Oh.
Can you put your elephant to bed? Night night, elephant.
Oh my gosh. Can you say night night to Puss?
Blanket. Don't pull her tail.
Caroline, do you want to go night night? Caroline, say night night.
Night night.
Say night night. Say night night. Caroline? Hey. Psst. Are you putting Mommy to sleep?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sit down.
I'm sorry.